Sir, Trump claims that Iran has attacked Indian ships. Iran gave refused names. Recently,
आपको मालूम, वो आप देख रहे जो कैप्टन जो बोल रहा, अमेरिका मिसाइल मारता है हमारे कश्ती के ऊपर जहां पर हमारे इंडियन सेलर्स हैं, मदद की भीख मांग रहा है बेचारा, और अमेरिकन मदद को नहीं आते। और देश के प्रधानमंत्री ट्रंप का नाम लेने डरते क्यों भाई? हम उनको बुलाकर डिमार्शे देते हैं उनके अमेरिकन एम्बेसी से। अरे बोलो ना भाई। आपको याद है नरेंद्र मोदी का एक ओल्ड ट्वीट, अब जब ट्वीट बोलते थे, अब एक्स पे आ गया वो, जब ये इटालियन लोगों ने मार दिया था, केरल के लोग थे, जब उस वक्त वो चीफ मिनिस्टर थे, उन्होंने क्या क्या लिखा था ट्वीट में, पढ़ लीजिए आप जाकर। ये कैसा नरम रवैया है, तेल लो ले लो, मत लो मत लो, भारत के नागरिक मर रहे, हम बुला के उनको बोल रहे गलत हुआ। अरे क्या है भाई ये? आखिर भारत के नागरिक की जान की कोई कीमत है या नहीं है, या सिर्फ गोरी चमड़ी वालों की कीमत है? कल जा रहे हैं उत्तर प्रदेश, हाँ कल जा रहे हैं, बहरेच में हमारा सभा है, जाते रहेंगे। अब चुनाव तक कंटिन्यू, से पहले भी जाते थे, खामोशी जाते थे, आपको पता नहीं चलता था, जाकर हम अपना काम करके आते थे। अभी भी जा रहे हैं। अभी तो इलेक्शन की खरी, देखिए ये सवाल कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी आपको नहीं देगी, जब इलेक्शन आएगा जब बताएंगे आपको। और हम तो पूरी ताकत और पूरी के साथ लड़ने जा रहे हैं, पूरी पार्टी तैयार है। और देखिए गठबंधन भी होगा इंशाल्लाह, बताएंगे आपको, अभी तो टाइम है।
सर, असम कैबिनेट ने डिसीजन
हाँ बोल।
सर, असम कैबिनेट ने डिसीजन लिया कि 18 साल में,
अरे भाई आधार को स्टेट गवर्नमेंट बनाती है, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के एक्ट से बनता आधार, ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा मेरे को।
Sir, deal or no deal? Iran says no
हाँ?
nuclear talks.
हाँ?
Deal or no deal? Iran says no nuclear talks.
Donald Trump and Benjamin Netanyahu are responsible for the whole economic turmoil which the world is facing right now. Donald Trump and Benjamin Netanyahu are responsible for this huge oil crisis, gas crisis which has developed especially in Asia and in particular in the South Asia region. These are the two people who are trying to disturb the whole economic equilibrium of the world. And it is high time that they should stop their destructive machinery. It is high time that Donald Trump and Benjamin Netanyahu should immediately stop this war. They have started this war. They are responsible for the causing all these economic hardship to millions and millions of people throughout the world and also in India also. And I request the Prime Minister of India to please strongly condemn what Benjamin Netanyahu is doing right now. Because it is our Prime Minister Narendra Modi who stood in the Israeli Knesset and said, we stand with Israel. Israel is responsible for creating all these issues over here, along with Donald Trump.
sir, what do you think the Indian government should do? Do you think at least US envoy should be summoned over the 3 sailors' death?
Why can't the Prime Minister of my country categorically condemn the killings of Indians? That is the least he can do, and he should do it. What is this calling some official of US Embassy and showing our displeasure? Can you believe that they have attacked that ship and those people are pleading for help? They don't want to go and help.
But sir, now shifting the blame to Iran, while CENTCOM has clearly stated in the statement that they have attacked Settebello.
They have attacked?
They have attacked Settebello, the commercial vessel. So they have attacked Settebello.
So are you trying to say that the US can attack any ship? They cannot do that, na? Who will attack any ship? Was that an Iranian submarine? Was that an Iranian ship? Who is US to attack those ships? Number one, it is illegal to, what they have done is illegal according to international law. Have they taken the sanction of United Nations? No. Have they taken the sanction of, have the permission of their own Congress? No. Whatever US and Benjamin Netanyahu are doing are completely illegal. And they are responsible for all this havoc which they have created everywhere. And those people are, those people on that ship are pleading for help. You don't even help them. What kind of humanity is this? What kind of expression, all these loud claims of human rights which you want to preach to the whole world? Who are you to attack any ship? Please tell us. Who are you? Are you the world policeman to attack a ship? You have no right whatsoever, according to the international law, to attack any ship. Which you have done, unfortunately, and which has led to the death of Indians over there.
So now the argument is also has come up. Those three vessels, commercial vessels, are Canary flag and those three commercial vessels are Canary flag and Palau flag, and those are
What flag? What flag?
Canary flag and Palau flag. So basically,
Korea.
Not Indian flag vessels, commercial vessels, not operating.
Is your channel saying that if it does not have Indian flag, the Indians can be killed? Please remember that what US is doing is completely illegal. Donald Trump is a threat to world peace. You cannot attack any ship. What is this? Why are you attacking any ship? Who gives you the right to attack any ship? Whatever flag it is, how can you attack any ship? Was it a military ship? What is this happening? How can you do that? We have lost 3 Indians over there. If their families are suffering now, one man was supposed to go there. His wife was waiting for him. Please don't give the justification of that flag, nothing doing. US and Israel has no right to attack any ship over there. Who are you to attack? Why have you attacked the ship at all? Was it an Iranian military ship? That also you cannot attack. What kind of ये तो दादागिरी हो गई, गुंडागर्दी है तो पूरा ये. हम जिसको चाहे अटैक करेंगे, आप कुछ भी कर लो. ये कैसा होगा भाई? और ये what is this argument which you are presenting? Can you say this to the people, those Indians who have lost their life? Oh नहीं, आपका शिप में इंडियन फ्लैग नहीं था तो इसलिए आप मर सकते. ये क्या बात है भाई?
And so one more argument coming up. Why is Prime Minister and also even Foreign Affairs Minister attending meetings with the European counterparts and not even uttering a word about the Indians being killed? And
you're absolutely right. You had come late to this press conference. I have expressed my unhappiness and anguish that our country's Prime Minister has not uttered a single word condemning the killing of Indians. And what is this way of calling an official of US Embassy and showing our displeasure by issuing a démarche or whatever it is called? ये क्या हो रहा भाई? Those people are pleading for help. That ship is on fire. You don't even come and help them. We must thank the Omani government for helping us. At least they came and rescued those people. Otherwise, all of them would have been dead by now.
Sir, just a couple of days ago, in Kolkata, Alipur area, 4,000 EVMs have been gutted. There are suspicions being raised. Do you think at least an inquiry should be into those claims that it's a destruction of evidence problem?
वो क्या कहावत है, ना रहे सांप ना रहे, हाँ वही हो गया, खत्म, स्टोरी खत्म. अब ईवीएम चल के से अभी इंक्वायरी लगा लो, क्या करते कर लो, पूरा हो गया, काम हो गया, खत्म ही हो गया पूरा किस्सा. अरे आग भी वहीं लगती, किसी और जगह पे नहीं लगती आग. बड़ा खूब है भाई. ओके सर, थैंक यू सर, बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोग.